Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox items that I bought from Osaka, Japan. And these are my favorite sunglasses, and the brand is from Ray-Ban. The first item that I'm going to unbox is Ray-Ban. This is the model ORB4392D. This kind of model is not yet available in the Philippines, and I was able to get it. And this is the last item that they have in the store, and that's the reason why I got this. And we're going to unbox it. You have the usual leather pack or leather bag, and it has the Ray-Ban logo. And the store is an authorized dealer of Ray-Ban in Japan. And we're going to see what is inside. So this is it. The frame is very unique. The color, I mean. This is the Wayfarer model, and the color is very, very unique. To include the lens. Actually, this is a sunglass we're going to wipe, and I don't want to open the original Ray-Ban cloth that goes with the packet. So we're going to clean it, and it's nice. I have never used this. I only use this for fitting purposes, and we're going to fit it on my face, and we will see how it looks without the cap. It looks like a feminine style, but I like the color, I like the frame, and the size. Actually, the price of this sunglass is very cheap. If it is converted into pesos, this is only 7,000 pesos. And this type of model, you can buy here in the Philippines for almost 14,000. So I was able to save almost 50% of the actual price if this kind of model is being bought here in the Philippines. So this is the last model, the last stock on this kind of model, and I got it with a cheaper price. So maybe starting tomorrow, I'm going to use this once I go out of the house, or maybe in my trips in Metro Manila. The lens is nice, the frame is nice, I like the color, and it's good to my face. So we come now to the second item that I was able to buy in Osaka, Japan. And actually, the first one, I bought it in a authorized store of Ray-Ban. Just the same, the second one is, it came from Paris, Miki. It is one of the stores in the Shinsaibashi in Osaka, Japan, and they sell authentic eyewear to include Ray-Ban. So this is the latest model, actually from Ray-Ban. I saw this kind of sunglass when I was in the States in June and July, but I was not able to buy the said item, but I'm happy that it is available in Japan. And this is the model ORB3741, and you can see the color of the lens is a little bit blue. And once again, this item or kind of sunglass is not yet available here in the Philippines, and that's the reason why I got this. And this is the only stock that they have in blue color. The one that I saw in the United States is a polarized lens. However, it is very expensive. I think it is $185 plus tax, so that is almost $200. So if you convert that, it is more than 12,000 pesos. But I got this for only 6,800 pesos, equivalent in the conversion from their yen. So we're going to open this. I cannot see the it is the color is blue, the frame is silver, and we will unbox this. And it has a very cute leather pocket. If you compare it with the first one, you can see the comparison. So the one with the Wayfarer is bigger than this second sunglass that I have with me. Very cute. And as usual, you have the logo of Ray-Ban, and we're going to open this. And the texture of the leather is very, very different. So it has the usual cloth and the catalog, and we're going to see. Look how small this sunglass as compared to this. We're going to fit this, and we'll try to remove the tab. And we're going to fit it on my face. We will see. I think the model is a rendition of the Beatles style. If you remember the movie Yellow Submarine, the members of the Beatles were wearing this kind of glasses or sunglass. So it is very small. The frame is silver, and the lens is blue. It goes well with my denims, denim jacket or denim shirt, denim jeans. So this is a very nice rendition of the Beatles model. So see the difference. Very nice, very beautiful. I have it fitted already in the said store before I bought it. They cleaned it and they fitted to my face, and they adjusted the nose pads, and everything is perfect. They have a very, very nice, very, very reliable customer service in the stores in Japan. And I really like doing my shopping whenever I travel to Japan, because I love how they treat their customers. So with that, we had the unboxing of my two latest Ray-Ban sunglasses. The one with the Wayfarer with a nice plastic frame, and this Beetle style sunglass with a silver frame and a blue lens. So with that, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like the content. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you have any comments on the items that I was able to unbox, please do so in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye.